There may be multiple videos that you may want to convert but want different settings for each one of them. In that case, what you can do is you can go around over here onto File and import out the video that you want to convert. So let's just go around over here onto my YouTube drive, and then under Videos, let me just go ahead and select this particular footage right here. So let's say for this one, I'm going to choose MKV format, and then the dimension is going to be, let's say for example, 480 right here, just like this. So now let's say this is one video that I want. So you can see the preview over here as well. But let's say I have another video that I want to convert as well. So I don't want to go ahead and encode this right away. In that case, what you can do is you can go to add to queue right here and add the current, or simply go ahead and click. And now this particular project has been added in right here in queue, as you can see. So now you can load up another video and change around the settings for it. So let's say, for example, I'm going to click on open source, choose file, and let's say I'm going to select this keyboard file right here, just like this. And now you can go ahead and choose a different preset for it. Let's say for example right here, just like this, and choose MP4 for it, and then click on add to queue. And then you got two queues over here. One is in MKV format, as you can see, and one is in MP4. So similarly, you can go ahead and load up another file as well. So you can go around over here, select this file as well, just like this, and then go around over here and select out this format. Let's say for example, click on add to queue, and then this is what you have. And now if I were to go ahead and click on start queue, then it'll use the different settings right here that I set for each one of the videos, and will convert them all at once, one by one. And that is how you can utilize the add to queue and start the queue queue process inside of Handbrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.